You have probably using social media for years now, and during that period of time just think about how many likes you have left on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram and other social media platforms. But just thinking, getting paid for doing this, to leave a like on Facebook and to get paid, to leave a like on Instagram and get paid, leave a like on YouTube video and get paid. The more you like, the more money you earn, and as you see in this picture, people from all around the world are getting paid every single day and have reached thousands of dollars. This is a brand new platform that we never talked about, and you can join for free from anywhere in the world. You will be paid per each like you leave on all the social media platforms. Before I start to explain you how to make this work, make sure to subscribe to our channel with notifications on for more videos like this one. I want to start this tutorial by first showing you the withdrawal process. It's really simple. You will go to your account where you can check your balance, and if it's over $2, you can request to cash out through PayPal. On amount, you will enter the amount that you want to cash out. Then enter your PayPal email address and then select the method and then click here on request cash out. You will receive your payment in 1 up to 10 days. And I want to go over their payment proof. People are from all around the world being paid every single day or even every single hour just by leaving likes. And if you go here on earn points/money, you'll see that you can get paid for Facebook likes, YouTube likes, Instagram likes, Twitter likes, and also they have daily contests and daily bonuses that will give you free points/money just for logging in every single day. So if you log in on a daily basis, you will earn 200 points, which you can then exchange for real money. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll give to you a bonus method that you can use with this website in order to make more money passively without giving out likes. So if you don't want to do the work yourself, then stay till the end of the video and I'm going to show you how to automate the entire process. Now let me show you a real example of how you'll be collecting money with this website. If you want, for example, to get paid by leaving YouTube likes, just go over here on earn points/money, click on YouTube and then select video likes. We'll get to this page and you have all these videos that you can like. You just click on the green like button, for example, this one, and it will redirect you to the YouTube video that you can like. After that, just go back to the website and you'll collect your points, then you can exchange them for money. And you can repeat the same process again and again. The more you like, the more money you will earn. And if you want more videos, you can click here on load more pages and it will show you other videos. And once again, you just click on like under the video and it's going to take you to a YouTube video. You can like it, go back to the website and you'll have your points collected automatically, and that's all you have to do. But if you want to maximize your results, you can use other social media platforms. So go once again on earn points/money and you can select another platform, for example Facebook likes or Instagram likes, photo likes on Instagram. Just select the one that you want and then you can like it, come back to the website and collect your points, and it will be automatically. So you don't have to do anything else to collect your points, they will be collected automatically. Obviously this will not make you rich, but making some side income by just leaving likes on social media platforms is not bad at all, and it's something that we already do. And the website that I was talking about right now is called likesplanet.com. And I'm going to show you how you can create an account for absolutely free and how it works, and then I'm going to show you how you can maximize your results and earn money passively. So in order to create that account for free, you have to click here on the register button. After that, you have to fill in some information. You have to create a username, to put your email address, repeat the email address, then put a password, repeat the password. The folder, you can leave it empty, then enter the captcha number and click on register. And this is how your account is going to look like. Here you'll be able to track your points, and there aren't a lot of them right now because I created this account a few minutes ago for the purpose of this video, but you can change that once you start leaving likes on those social media platforms. And of course you have contests here. You can win 600 points every day and also 200 points as a daily bonus. And if you go here on the cash out, you will request your money once you reached a minimum of $2. Here on earn points/money, you'll be able to select the platform that you want to use in order to make money. And besides leaving likes, you can also visit a website. You just literally have to click on the link of the website and you'll get paid for that. So it's really simple. Just select the platform that you prefer from Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Click the like button as I showed you before and collect some points which you can then exchange for real money. And as I promised you at the beginning of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus method in order to automate the entire process, and you can do so by joining their referral program and earn 50% points of your referrals plus 100 points per active referral plus 1.1 point per referral link visit. Just for one click on your referral link, you'll get points and you'll get 50% of your referrals earnings. So if your friend that you refer makes $1,000 within this website, you'll get $500 extra. So in order to grab your referral link, you have to go here on earn points/money and then click on earn by referral. And it's going to take you on this page when you have to grab the second link, because we want people to register here on your link on Likes Planet in order to sign up, so you will get paid. You will make some decent amounts of money even if you're not leaving the likes yourself. And I'm going to show you some traffic sources which you can use to get people that will be interested in making money with the website. One of the traffic sources is called Trendy.com. This is a make money online forum where people gather and share different ideas on this topic. So you can join some of the threads right here. As you can see, there are a lot of people in this website. And if you click on the make money forum, you can click on post thread and you can write post where you can say this website will pay you to leave likes on social media platforms. It's free and you can use my link to sign up and you can leave the referral link there. So people that are in these forums will be interested in clicking on your link and they can sign up and you will make money out of that. Or you can just go on Facebook, go on groups that are about making money online and you can share your link there, or just go on platforms like Quora or Reddit, which are some answer and question and answer platforms. You can search for questions how to make money online. You can find people that are interested in making money online. Put your referral link there in order to get more people to click on it. So if you like today's method, be sure to give a thumbs up, to leave a comment down below, and also to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.